Are you the kind of person who's overwhelmed by DIY? But no matter how well you understand the project and how much expertise you have in the field, without the right tool in hand, you're surely gonna mess it up. So, in this video, we'll show you some amazing woodworking tools for DIY projects. Most carpenters have used a power feeder at some point in their projects, but this Schematic power feeder hits a bit differently. Why? Well, it is one of the most heavy-duty feeders that easily adapts standard shapers, table saws, and other woodworking machines, and surprisingly saves around 50% on operating costs. Sounds too good to be true, right? It features an interchangeable wheel setting that fits with your variety of cutting needs. Not just that, the instant angle adjustment design, so you choose more feed angles according to the project demands. Hold on, you can also control the forward and reverse feed with a single press of the arrow button. Save your bucks without compromising precision and comfort. Now let's talk about the all-new corner routing guide set from Craig. It simplifies the way you work to make perfect corner profiles while working on an active site. This guide tool comes with a handle and pre-installed edge stop posts, so you can use it immediately after taking it out of the box. It has a gripping knob on the top, which lets you move it with full freedom. The best part of the set is it's 8 different inserts with 5 radius profiles and 3 chamfer profiles. They'll just bring the perfect look to your projects. However, you can also use this guide set while working on router tables. Just make sure to get a tight hold of the materials and start trimming. Now, take your trimming projects to the next level. When you take on some grooving tasks on your hand, getting the ideal tool is the foremost duty. Or else, there's a chance of a great mess. With this Sports Turbo Groover, you can complete sports floor grooving effectively and easily, without leaving an unsightly mark. Once you use this groover, you'll never want to get any other one for your jobs. Thanks to its flawless working mechanism, it grooves a consistent uniform groove depending on the weight being applied by the installer. You might be thinking of the blade changing hassle. No problem. You can do that with just a simple hex key. It'll take a few minutes to get a new blade, groove with precision, groove like a pro. The accuracy of your layout work relies on the tools you choose for measurement. And if you have these Woodpecker's stainless steel squares by your side, you can ensure your project starts square and ends square. Each of the squares comes with a 1/16 inch thick blade, laser engraved graduations, and precision milled scribing notches, meaning you'll be taking all the layout works one step further than your workmates. Want to know a fun fact? The blade of the square features a parallel scribing guide that you can use with virtually any marking tool in hand. You can use between a wide variety of sizes depending upon your project demands. Of course, you'll get similar accuracy from every square. The next tool on the list is the Woodcraft T40 Turbo Bench Lathe, which redefines the performance standard for wood lathes. First and foremost, it comes with a sleek design and perfect size that goes very well with woodworkers of all heights. Plus, the spindle drive of the lathe is powered by an unprecedented industrial servo motor system, so you can get the perfect outcome after every project. Surprisingly, it can handle almost every kind of tough cut with up to 300% overloading capacity. On top of that, it responds in only 2 microseconds when changing loads, meaning you can get all the dynamic cuts with marvelous speed consistency. With a bunch of super convenient features, this T40 Turbo Bench lathe appears like a blessing for the turners. No wonder a bulky chainsaw causes extreme hand fatigue after every use. Despite having a big size, this Sealy surprisingly feels so low weight, yet cuts all the hardwoods in no time. First, it's absolutely cordless, so you won't have to meet any pain of gas and fumes. It features a high-quality 35-centimeter bar and chain, which includes automatic chain lubrication. Plus, the oil level indication display informs you about the remaining oil for the lubrication. With the ultimate kickback protection and instant chain brake mechanism, it offers you absolute safety while working on tight situations and cutting larger wood logs. Okay, you need to make some angled cuts for molding, right? Rather than grabbing a miter saw, would you consider another option? Here's the Holsman Cap 305JL, a great solution for all angle cuts of general carpentry applications. It features a drive belt system that supports a low-noise operation, meaning your work process will be gentler. You can easily cut the material with an angle between 45 and 90 degrees. The extractable back fence offers the highest comfort during the application, and a thin red laser line indicates a cutting line to maintain the utmost precision. With the stable and precise double bar guide, this miter saw lets you cut flawlessly. Meanwhile, the massive aluminum die-cast base ensures high stability from job to job. Imagine you're involved with a wood project where you have to tackle some narrow, confined space sanding. Although it's not a cup of tea for everyone, you can go well with this Capro 25710 Flex Sander. This is a handheld sanding solution that requires no battery and zero electricity. The 6-inch surface of the sander supports standard Velcro sandpaper and fits perfectly into all the tight corners. Thanks to its ergonomic, adjustable grip handle, which provides extra control and allows precise pressure. And the fun fact, it's here when you can detach the handle knob for specific jobs, especially when you need to exert some added pressure. This is the SKELEK MRS 1300, a universal renovation grinder that handles all the tough grinding tasks with ease. With the abrasive nylon brush attachment, it allows you to brighten your wood materials, and the sanding strip brush lets you effortlessly sand the wooden materials. It's equipped with a powerful 1300-watt motor and has a brush diameter of 120 millimeters, which means you can complete every job spending less time. Plus, the soft start function and variable speed trigger help you to get fine results and extend tool life. Not just that, this grinder has two-handle design that ensures maximum safety and comfort over the job. There's no doubt that many woodworking enthusiasts prefer hand saws over battery-operated tools. So let's end up today's list with the Ox handsaw. It offers an incredibly easy start feature that is driven by superfine 13 TPI cutting teeth that make your operation faster and easier without leaving any damaged edges. And the 8 TPI coarse center teeth allow you to do razor-sharp cutting over the thicker materials. Apart from that, the tough-coated blade reduces heat, drag, and expansions, so there'll be no worries about the lifespan. The best part of the handsaw is an ergonomically designed Ox grip handle that offers all-day comfort and control, keeping you far away from fatigue and strains. Okay, so that was the list of amazing woodworking tools for DIY projects. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.